Hi Rachel, Darren, Mike, Burton Caravans. Handover video for your Pegasus Grande Turin. Just start down the the off side of the caravan, and right at the rear we have the cassette toilet and the freshwater fill. So this small flap here, use your key to undo that there, drop that down, and you fill that with fresh water for the toilet flush. You can add a pink fragrance that you can buy. It says pink chemical, and fill it, use the chemical as per the instructions on the chemical bottle. And down below here we have again a door key lock. Press button, drop the door down, squeeze this handle vertical there and pull the cassette all the way out. Turn the spout through 90 degrees, unscrew the cap, empty the contents. You refill that with some blue chemical as per the instructions on the bottle. Turn back through 90 degrees and then push it back home, making sure that that handle there fits into there, and shut the flap, and you can use the key to lock if you wish. This is the outlet, the two outlets here for grey water from your shower and from your sinks, and that goes into the grey water holding tank, which I'll show you when I come and bring the caravan for you. I'll explain the motor movers when I bring the caravan. We won't do those on this video. Move along. Aquaroll fresh drinking water there. I have found you one with an auto refill valve on the side, so that's inside the caravan. So this pipe here, put the cap over the barrel there. There is a blue trigger underneath here. See that blue trigger? Squeeze that and you pull that all the way out. And just to relocate it back into there. And make sure that the pump is submerged in the water in the barrel. Move around to the near side of the caravan. There we have the mains lead connected into the caravan. And we have the gas bottles in the lockers here. So there's your two gas bottles, gas hose pipe fitted to the regulator. So one's the brand new full bottle and one is the remaining what's left in there, so you're okay for gas. Just stepping inside the caravan, and firstly I've lifted the cushions off the front right hand seating and lifted the lid on the seat, and here we have a yellow toggle switch here. This is the mains fresh water line coming into the caravan. This normal horizontal position of this valve is correct for normal operation. For winter and frost protection, you lift and leave it in the vertical mode and it'll just empty all the water out of the caravan. Okay. When you come through the caravan, on the right hand side of the door we have this power set up here. This one here, push down, that brings power into the caravan. This one here turns the water pump on to bring fresh water into the caravan from the Aquaroll outside. This one is for the lights in the caravan, brings power to all the lights. You can individually turn them on or off. And this is your awning light for exterior lighting. Here we come to the fridge, and the fridge runs on 3 different settings. So the top there is off. That one is mains electric, which we're currently on. That's vehicle battery if you're towing the caravan and you want the fridge to operate from your vehicle, you put it onto that one. And this one is for gas. So if you wanted to run it on gas only, if you've got no electric power, you can turn it to that position. You press the silver button to ignite the gas, and then you'll see that changing from green there as the fridge is starting to work and get colder. This is your thermostat setting for the fridge, so you can turn it down or you can turn it up on the fridge. Next to the fridge is the hob. One ignition here ignites the oven, the grill and the hobs. So to light a typical hob, turn the dial, hold the button in, press it in. There's the igniter, hold it in for 3 or 4 seconds, let go. There's number 2 lit. There's number 3. It's perfect, they're all working as they should. Hot plate's been on for a while. Yeah, that's coming through nice and warm. I can feel that there. That's good. Just drop down. The grill is that one there. Turn and hold. Perfect. And finally the oven. Perfect. That's all good. Onto the sink. The hot water's been on for about half an hour, so it should be coming through nice and warm. Loads of water pressure there. Oh wow, yeah, that's perfect. Lovely. Ooh. That's great. So what we have now is the controls, which is this Truma unit here. Okay, so to operate that, you press this button here once, and then we bring up the motorhome or caravan signal there. That's for the heating in the caravan. Press the button again, and you can turn the dial different increments up to 30 degrees of temperature. It's pretty warm today, so we'll leave it say on 12, 13, 14 there. Press the button again, turn the dial one increment, and now we've got the hot water flashing. Press the button again. You can have it on hot or eco or off. So we're currently on hot. If you want to have it heated up even quicker, you can go on to boost. This rapidly heats the water in the caravan, but once it's warmed up, please don't leave it on boost. Turn it back to hot. Turn press the button again and turn it another increment, and then we get the gas bottle and the electricity light flashing, symbol flashing. Press the button again. So you can have electricity power 2 or electricity power 1 or 2. Okay, some sites have 16 amps of power, so 2 will be fine. Some sites only have 10 amps of power, so you might have to drop it down to 1 depending on what you've got connected to the caravan or being consumed in the caravan. Press the button again, and you can have a mixture of 2 or 1 there. So that's using gas and electricity at the same time, and the 2 or 1 again is relevant to the power source on the caravan site. Turn it again, and you can just run it on gas only, but we'll go back to electric 2. Press the button, turn this one here in another increment, and we've got the fan there flashing. Press the button again. You can have it on eco or high. That blows increases the fan speed to blow the heating through the ducting underneath the bed and around the furniture and in the bathroom. So we'll just leave that on eco. So that's the Truma system. Really straightforward and easy to use. All the lights are on in the caravan and working as they should. Into the bathroom, we've got the toilet here with the electric flush on the top of the toilet. The toilet does swivel, it's meant to swivel, and underneath there is a slide valve there that you slide across to empty the contents into the cassette toilet below. There's your aquaroll and grey water collection there. Hot water coming out in the vanity sink, all working fine. Lights on. So there we go guys, fully operational Pegasus Grande Turin, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow when I deliver the caravan. Thank you.